How people use buyclonecards.bond, website walkthrough, educational. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a practical guide. I'm going to walk you through the exact process of placing an order on buyclonecards.bond. This site uses cryptocurrency for payments, offering a degree of privacy. Let's get started. This video is for awareness, research, and consumer protection purposes only. We do not encourage or promote financial fraud, card cloning, identity theft, or any illegal activity. Step 1. Browsing. Head over to buyclonecards.bond. You'll land on their shop page. Here, you'll see their inventory, different cards categorized by region, balance, or type. Take your time, look at the descriptions and prices. Each product will have an Add to Cart button. When you've found what you want, click it. Step 2. Your cart. Once you've added your items, you'll usually see a cart icon or can navigate to your cart. Here, you can review everything. Check the quantities, the total price shown in both USD and its crypto equivalent. If you have a discount coupon, you can apply it here. When you're ready, click Proceed to checkout. Step 3. The checkout page. This is the most important part. You'll see a form. First, you'll need to provide an email address. This is for your order confirmation and any future communication, so use one you check. Now, here's the critical part. This site uses the order notes field for shipping. You will not see a separate shipping address box. Look for a text area labeled order notes or something similar. In this order notes box, you must type the complete, accurate shipping address where you want the physical card delivered. Be precise: street address, apartment number, city, state, postal code, and country. Double check it. This is the address the vendor will use to ship your order. Step 4. Payment. Scroll down. You'll see the payment options. They accept cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe others. Select your preferred crypto. Then, click the Place Order button. Step 5. Finalizing payment. After clicking Place Order, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen. It will show the final amount in cryptocurrency and provide a wallet address to send it to, often with a QR code. You'll also see a timer, usually 15 or 30 minutes. Open your crypto wallet. Send the exact amount shown to the provided wallet address. Do this before the timer runs out. The system will wait for blockchain confirmations. Once your payment is verified, your order status will update. And that's it. After payment confirmation, your order is processed. The vendor has your shipping address from the order notes and your email. They'll package and ship the item to the address you provided. You will get tracking info via email, and you can always track your order directly on the website to know the status. To recap: browse, add to cart, checkout, put your shipping address in the order notes field, pay with crypto, and you're done. Remember, accuracy in the order notes is key for delivery. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.